Lecture number 21. The next reaction of electrophilic aromatic substitution. C part, that is sulfonation of it. Now see, when aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid, what does it form? Actually it forms anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Additional reaction है ये. Anilinium is NH3 plus, hydrogen sulfate HSO4 minus. So what does it form? Anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Okay. Now next, again when it is reacted with sulfuric acid at the temperature 4532473, actually it should be Kelvin. So what do I get? It is converted to para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. Para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. The same is called as sulfanilic acid. It is a major product. Okay, you can see over here. Now उसमें क्या होता है? You can see it is what does it form? You know, it forms a Zwitter ion. Sulfanilic acid जो है, that exists in the form of a Zwitter ion. What do I mean by Zwitter ion? That is, it has both the charges present on it. See, वो H जो है ना, SO3H का, वो ऊपर गया. So it is converted to NH3 plus. So both the charges are there, plus minus. So it is called as a Zwitter ion. So what is it? It is all the three reactions we have done for electrophilic aromatic substitution. So that is all about amines. So amines ends here. Next part of the lesson में what you have is diazonium salts. Very important, diazonium salts. Pay attention. Very important thing. The only example in your syllabus board में where it has an example of a negative resonance. Negative resonance, I have written there. What is negative resonance? Negative resonance मतलब the delocalization of the electrons from the ring to the group. बाकी सभी में क्या था? What we used to do, it was from the group to the ring. Now यहाँ पे it is from the ring to the group. That is called as negative resonance. Negative resonance. See, you can see. First of all, I have written the what it is. What do we write it? This is called as the resonating structure of the same salts. See, यहाँ से यहाँ पे गया तो it forms a double bond. Gale. Electron density कम हुआ. Positive charge. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड में से यहाँ पे दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. नाइट्रोजन में पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्यों? बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन का वैलेंसी 3 है, यहाँ पे 4 है. सो as these electrons go here, so these electrons they migrate here. So this is the resonating structure of it. If you see the structures, as I always say, this part will remain same in all the same structures. Positive charge will go at the alternate position. Accordingly, the bonds will be adjusted. So what is it? This is the resonance. It is an example of a negative resonance. Negative resonance है benzene diazomium chloride का. Now, after the resonance, then we go for the method of preparation of benzene diazomium chloride. Aniline reacts with nitrous acid with HCl. As nitrous acid is highly unstable, now it has to be prepared. It has to be prepared fresh. So how is it prepared? It is prepared by sodium nitrite, NaNO2. Sodium nitrite reacting with HCl. टेम्परेचर हमेशा इसका 0 to 5 degrees रहेगा. You get nitrous acid that is freshly prepared and then you react it with HCl. The reaction given by a primary amine aromatic. So diazotization 0 to 5 degrees Celsius converted to benzene diazone benzene diazonium chloride. We have prepared a salt. In the next lecture, we have to go for the reactions of benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, it's all for today.